Here's a little unboxing of these Flaygo hearing aids right here, the GM-915Ts. This is how they come packaged, wrapped in plastic in this custom branded cardboard box right here. Open this bad boy up. Drop something right there. All right, you got a little instruction manual right here. Some tips and tricks. There's your user guide, operation guide, and another one. Now let's take a look at what else is in here. Got a microfiber cleaning cloth right here. You've got your hearing aids, which come in this nice case. So you open this up. There's your hearing aids. Got the left and the right, the blue and the red. And then you also have this little accessories box right here, which is gonna have the charger inside of it. You also got some different tips if you want to adjust the size of the tips so they fit better inside of your ear. Also comes with some little cleaning swabs right there. And then here's your charger cable. So there's everything you get with these Flaygo hearing aids right here. And there's your charging port on the back of the case right there.